What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolf Pack. We finally have a bunch of good news in the markets. We also will take a look at Elrond and why I'm super bullish on Elrond and Maiar. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into these charts.
You big all sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. 2 really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart. It looks bad to me. We have been rejecting this 21 exponential moving average, meaning that we are in a daily downtrend. We have been there since the middle of November. That is the trend, and the trend is your friend until the end of the trend. I did see another YouTuber say he doesn't believe in buying in an uptrend. He said he loves red days. Well, here you go, bro. Here's a red day to buy. Here's a red day to buy. Here's a red day to buy. And you could get wrecked 50% all the way down. You can lose half of your money because you love down days. But here at the Wolf Pack, we look at things objectively and in reality. We at the Wolf Pack, we would rather have ugly lies than pretty truth. And let me tell you, there is a lot of pretty truth peddlers in this space, in this world. People are liars. They're self-centered. They only care about their own bags. They only care about clicks. They only care about views. And over here at the Wolf Pack, we sold 65K, and we have been watching this downtrend when we did not get faked out over here. And I'm telling you guys, this is a bear flag. You see, we have this upward consolidations after a pulse down. And look at this. We have descending volume up into this high. That is a big volume divergence. We can take a peek here. There is no divergences over here on the RSI. This is a bear flag. This is what a bear flag looks like. It's a continuation pattern to the downside. Now, could it pump tomorrow when the market's open? If the NASDAQ is up, if the S&P is pumping, could it just go through? Yes. But here we talk about probabilities. There are no certainties. There are only probabilities, and the probabilities are down, especially if we are in a daily downtrend. It seems like some of the bad news in the FUD in the markets is subsiding. There is some great news, and I'm happy to report it. There's a bill introduced in the Arizona state where it would define Bitcoin as legal tender, not chicken tenders, which is almost as good, but just legal tender, which we will take that. Okay, that's going to be great if you're like buying a Lambo, if you're buying a house. Like basically, all right, so I have a lot of Bitcoin, right? And I want to buy this luxury house. I'm dealing with buying a house right now, and I really don't want to cash that out into my account and then cause a bunch of red flags, and then they send me into the IRS. They look through all my wallets. They try to find any little thing I did wrong. So yeah, it's super bullish because I could take my Bitcoin and I could be like, all right, here's 150K down payment for this house, and you cash it out through your wallet. Thank you very much. So yeah, this is super bullish. Anytime we can get any kind of acceptance, it looks like the state of Arizona in the United States is going the way of El Salvador, minus the volcanoes and mining cryptocurrency. Maybe they can do a solar farm. You never know. Let's take a look at a chart of whale balances. That is whales holding over 1,000 BTC. On-chain analysis shows that they were dumping through this whole peak, and now it has reversed. The whales are buying right now. Could this signal a bottom? Let's hope so. It's been a rough couple of months. I've had a rough couple of months, guys. I got beat up these last couple of months. Let's hope this is the bottom, but we have to let the chart show us. We need confirmation. Ethereum looking less like a bear flag. It looks like it's having just a little bit of a rounding bottom. I don't know. It looks weak. It's below the pivot. It's below the 21. Now, the 21 is actually diving right now, so we have to make sure that it confirms on that before we start getting super, super excited. On ETH, let's get above 2,800, and I forgot to give you a target. Let's get above that 38K, 38.9. That's what we've been saying. Let's get above this pivot, and then let's take out 39K. There's a lot of resistance up ahead. Let's take a look at Hex. Hex is in a consolidation, tightening range below the 21 exponential moving average. I don't expect this to make any big moves until we have some more pulse chain news, and that could be months away, guys. Fantom, you know I love Fantom. They actually have some good news out. They says the Fantom Foundation tweeted that for the past 2 days, Fantom has processed more transactions than Ethereum, which is super bullish. There's a ton of money coming. There's a ton of cool projects coming to Fantom. I definitely think Fantom's going to be the new BSC for a while. I think there's a lot of upwards potential, so keep an eye on it. Find a nice, safe place to enter. I already own some Fantom. It's my long-term hodl. I don't care what the price of it is right now, and I'm going to use some of that selling the top USDC to buy more if it goes down. I am a Fantom, ride or die. Spooky Swap, I'm also Spooky Swap. I got a small bag, you know, like 3-4K USD, and I am staking it right now with XBOO. Super bullish on any swap. Any swap is cross-chain swap, so if you want to go from ETH and then you want to go to Fantom, use any swap. It is pretty dope. Now, all right, so this project, this is the new one I want to ride or die with. It's called Elrond. I'm super bullish on this. It is its own chain, but it uses C++. So it's not interoperable with the ERC20s. That's why you're not going to see it on any swap. Like you can't go from ETH to Elrond, which sucks. And I really, honestly, I haven't done too much research, but I don't think that there is a bridge right now. Like you got to go to Binance US, you got to go to KuCoin to go get it. So I think that is a huge drawback. Also, they acquired Utrust, and Utrust is like a payment solution. Came out in 2018, thought it was a scam, didn't buy into it. But, and it looks like they have about $100,000 in volume on Binance. I think that Binance is probably going to delist it, but hopefully they have some sort of good thing coming up. Now, for Elrond in the next day or so is going to have a Maiar DEX token exchange. You will be able to build projects, but they're C++, which is better. You know, like there's rockets that go to space that use C++, but it's just, again, it's not interoperable with all the other shit coins. I'm not sure how this is going to do, but this is early. Remember, if you can't be smarter, you have to be earlier, because this is a zero-sum game. For you to make money, somebody had to lose money, and I am bullish on this. Am I going to buy right now? No, I'm not going to buy right now. The EGLD token, I mean, is painting the bear flag. I hope I can buy some with some USDC. I hope it goes lower, okay? So I don't have any. So here's what the exchange looks like. It looks good. It has only one token other than their native token right here. It's called Ride. And I actually did just a little bit of research to see how legit this whole thing is. It's legit. Like, it's a metaverse token, and you build like your own universe, and people can go in it. Watch this. I mean, you can build mountains, you can build roads and things like that. I mean, it's cool. Like, it's not my thing. Like, I'm not FOMOing into it. But what I'm saying is, this is a legit, big, legit project. It's an impressive project. It's on Maiar, it's on Elrond, and the C++ is going to make their projects absolutely stand out. Will it be enough to capture the attention and the imagination of the cryptocurrency space? Yeah, I believe so. Yes, I believe Elrond is coming. Some more good news. Crypto leaders launched political action committee to back congressional candidates. They're going to spend $20 million in 2022 to back midterm election candidates that are pro cryptocurrency. Guys, right now, the way things are set up is for the old system, and old money is pumping up the old system candidates. You know, these candidates need money, and they will say anything you want them to say. So the only way to defeat the beast is to get into the belly of the beast. And this is super bullish for us. Interesting news from Russia. Remember, they were supposed to ban cryptocurrencies. Well, now this is not passed, but they want to pass a bill where Russian investors have to pass an exam before buying cryptocurrencies if they spend more than $7,000 in US value. So is this a good thing? I mean, probably. Everybody should be knowing what they get into, but at the same time, more regulations, more restrictions, more government control is a bad thing. And who's going to get wrecked buying my bags if they're educated? Nobel Prize winner Paul Krugman links crypto to a subprime mortgage crash. Remember, we were talking about the old system, the boomer system? This guy is defending his bags. That's all he is. He is a hack, and the Nobel Peace Prize has been corrupted for a long time. It's politically corrupted. Pop star Justin Bieber buys Bored Ape NFT for $1.29 million. He pays more than 300% above floor, and this thing looks really sad. It looks like it's about to cry, and I think Justin Bieber is going to cry once he loses 50% in this thing. But hey, kudos to you, because it's on-ramping new normies to the crypto space. Thank you for your sacrifice. Let's take a look at Bitcoin's stock to flow model. You can see right here, this is the stock to flow. This is based on the halving cycle of Bitcoin, and it looks like we did not have that blow off top. You see, everybody thought it was going to be 100K, See, this is about 75K right here at this line. Because last time we had this huge blow off top, then we got back to the mean, then under it and pumped through. Well, we didn't quite make it. So that's why people thought that we were going to have another big pump. But it just did not happen. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, give me a like and a sub. Join the Wolfpack. I want you on my team. Also, there is a new Telegram. We do have a Wolfpack Telegram. It is in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.